Ryobi vs Greenworks pressure washer. Ryobi and Greenworks are both popular brands when it comes to home power tools, and their electric pressure washers are some of the better ones that you can get. Ryobi has been in the industry for a very long time, and they have made a name for themselves as a brand that excels in the durability and quality of their products. Let's dive into the video. Number 1. Design. The Ryobi RY141900 is lightweight even though it looks bulky. It has a steel frame body for added durability, and the handles are foam padded to provide a comfortable grip while transporting. As it is lightweight, it can easily be moved around. It has a 35 feet power cord, 25 feet hose, and a removable soap tank. It also comes with a wand, spray handle, and 3 nozzle tips, 15 degrees, soap, and turbo. The Greenworks GPW2002 has a plastic frame body, and surprisingly, it actually weighs more than the Ryobi at 37 pounds. Even though it weighs more, the difference is not that big, and the GPW2002 is still easy to transport and move around. The design makes it easier for storing as it doesn't need a lot of space. Number 2. Performance. The Ryobi RY141900 and the Greenworks GPW2002 are pretty much the same when it comes to power. Both of these models sport a 13-amp motor that can generate a maximum of 2000 psi of pressure. They both also have a GPM of 1.2 and 2400 cu cleaning units. The two models do differ when it comes to the included nozzle tips, and this can make one unit more suitable for your needs than the other. Both of them come with a turbo and soap nozzle. The Ryobi comes with a 15 degrees nozzle tip, while the Greenworks come with a 25 degrees and 40 degrees tips. Lower angles result in a narrower spread of water, but it has more power, making it suitable for removing coatings such as paint or rust. Higher angles result in a wider spread, making it more suitable for cleaning as the pressure is lower and it covers a wider area. Number 3. Verdict. The Ryobi RY141900 is lightweight and it has a steel frame body, making it more durable. However, it is bulkier and comes with one less nozzle tip than the Greenworks. If you are more concerned with durability, and you don't mind the one less nozzle tip, then this is the one you should get. The Greenworks GPW2002 is easier to store as it has a less bulky design. It also comes with one more nozzle tip than the Ryobi. However, the plastic frame might be an issue in the long run, but so far, no one has complained about it. If you want an electric pressure washer, for more details click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.